Welcome to my home garden. Today I'm excited to share some of the amazing plants I've grown from seeds, all right here at home. 1. Periwinkle. Periwinkle is a beautiful flowering plant. It blooms almost all year and grows easily from seeds. 2. Tomato is one of the easiest vegetables to grow. Homegrown tomatoes are fresh, juicy and full of flavour. 3. Tulsi, holy basil. Tulsi is a sacred and medicinal plant. It grows quickly from seeds and has a refreshing aroma. 4. Papaya is a tropical fruit plant. It grows fast and needs full sunlight to thrive. 5. Portulaca. Portulaca is a colourful, low-maintenance flower. It loves the sun and blooms beautifully in summer. 6. Lychee. Lychee is a slow-growing fruit tree. Growing it from seed requires patience, but it's very rewarding. 7. Badam, almond. Badam grows well from seeds. Though it takes time to become a full tree, it's a great long-term plant. 8. Jamun, black plum. Jamun is a summer fruit tree. Its seeds sprout easily and grow steadily in warm climates. 9. Falsa is a small berry plant. It grows best in hot weather and produces tangy, refreshing fruits. 10th, Imli, tamarind. Tamarind is a slow-growing tree. It grows from seed with proper care and warm weather. 11th, Capsicum, bell pepper. Capsicum is a popular kitchen vegetable. It grows quickly from seeds and does well in pots or garden beds. Each of these plants has a story and brings joy to my gardening journey. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening!